Solitaire Cash and Bingo Cash both offer free play options and real money tournaments, but neither guarantees profit, and their withdrawal processing is typically measured in days rather than minutes. Solitaire Cash Toanon. By the end, you'll know how the two apps actually make money, how withdrawals work, and which one makes more sense if your goal is cash prizes. The short answer is Solitaire Cash for most skilled players, but Bingo Cash can make more sense if bingo is the game you consistently perform better at. Here's why. Solitaire Cash is built around competitive solitaire tournaments. Papaya says players receive the same deck, layout, timing, and rules in a competition, so your result is based on how you perform against the other players. You also don't have to deposit money just to start. Solitaire Cash offers free competitions using gems, including a free roll tournament, DDI. Gems can also be used to earn bonus cash for tournament entries. Solitaire Cash Tournament. There's one catch. Bonus cash itself cannot be withdrawn. If you win using bonus cash in a cash tournament, part of the resulting prize can become withdrawable funds. Solitaire Cash 3. Bingo Cash works in a similar way. You can play free competitions with gems and access a free roll tournament without making a deposit. Bonus cash can be used to enter cash tournaments, but bonus cash itself is not withdrawable. A Bingo Cashed 4A. So which one pays more? There isn't a fixed answer because your payout depends on tournament results, entry costs, and the competitions available to you. The better app is the one where your skill gives you the strongest results consistently. For withdrawals, both apps say they typically process requests within a couple of days. Bingo Cash says withdrawals can take up to 14 days to process, although players usually receive funds within 2 business days. Solitaire Cash 5. That means you shouldn't choose either app because you expect instant cash. If you're better at Solitaire, start with Solitaire Cash and use its free competitions before depositing. If bingo is your stronger game, test Bingo Cash through its free play options first. The key difference is simple. Both apps use the same basic tournament model, but your actual earning potential depends heavily on how well you perform. Try the free competitions first. Track your results, and only consider paid tournaments if the numbers make sense for you. If this comparison helped, like the video and subscribe for more real money app comparisons.